Hello guys, welcome to channel Coding Player. We were discussing about linked list operations. Today we are going to learn how we can find the length of the linked list. This is a simple interview question and the tutorial is very simple. So just take a look of the code. There is a class I created length of linked list, and there is a static class node by which we will create a new node which will have a data as input data value d as integer type. You can put any variable type like string or float, and there is a method previous item. By using this method I am inserting a node in a linked list with value, like I am inserting the head node 10, then second node 16, third node 21, fourth node 65, and I am connecting the node with each other by the next value. So there is our main method, and I did make an object of this class and then call the method previous item, so that there would be some item in the linked list. So let's check this out first. What is this? If you run this program, length of linked list, and nothing happened because I did not printed the value. If you run this method and if you print the value of the linked list, then it would show 10, 16, 21, 65. You can write the code. If you don't know how, then you can watch my previous tutorial related to linked list. It will show you a method which will print the output of the value which is already have in a linked list. So now I did created a method. There would be two type by which we can find the length of the linked list. First approach would be iterative approach, and second approach would be the recursive approach by using recursion. So first I'm telling you about how we can find the length using iterative way. So I did created a method find length iterative way. So first create a node current, and in this current node is temporary node, and in this current I put the head node of the linked list. So I have a head node of the linked list, and I initialize a count value as a 0. Now I will scan each item, each node in the linked list. So I am running here while loop run till current not equal to null, means node not equal to null. And in this while loop I am incrementing the current node, means current equal to current dot next, and I am also incrementing the count value as count equal to count plus 1. If this node is terminated or done the task, means current equal to null find, then it will return count, whatever the count is. So I did call the method here and printed the value of the length. I just uncomment it, save it, and what I did, I get the result of this method as it returns the integer, means length of the linked list, and stored in a variable integer type, and then I am printing with the message length using iterative is equal to then the length of the linked list. So just run this method and check out. The length is 4. Why 4? Because I am having 4 node in my linked list, 10, 16, 21 and 65. So this is using iterative ways. And second approach is using recursion. Recursion is done by for sorting the code, and for in some case it will improve the performance, in some case it will reduce the performance. If you want to know more about the recursion, then you can find tutorial online. You can search about it by any search engine, or you just have to wait a little some time. We will release a tutorial about the recursion also. So I did created a method for recursion approach find length recursion way, and I did pass a input as a current node. So I'm checking if current equal to null, means node equal to null, then I will return 0. Otherwise I will return 1 plus the same method name, and in this method name I will now pass current dot next, means next node. So this is the concept of recursion. If you don't understand anything related to this method, you can search about it and get knowledge about the recursion. Then you can check this tutorial, you will find it right. and now I did call this method in same way as in iterative, and calling this method is storing the result in an integer variable, and I'm printing this also. I'm printing the result also by using a message length using recursive way. So just save it and run it. Here are length using iterative way 4, length using recursive way 4. So that's it for this tutorial, guys. Please give us your feedbacks, and please subscribe our channel. Hope we will post next tutorial very soon, and waiting for your comments. Thank you.